Watch this chicken transform into a mouth-watering masterpiece. First, it's cleaned and seasoned with flavorful spices. Then it's marinated to lock in all the taste. Into the hot pan it goes, sizzling to golden perfection. Fresh herbs and a special sauce take the flavor to the next level. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Every bite looks irresistible. Would you try this delicious chicken? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing food videos.